Let's go again.
Even.
Say what?
Even.
Oh.
Yeah.
7.
No, we should get line and just have to fight. Wait, or let's record this just in case. Like, we can call that epic names, you know?
You can go first.
All right.
Yeah.
1,
Oh, wait, but then
2,
you gotta
3. Draw for turn. Interesting.
Then you just stay at one of those right. Wait, you
Flip.
you gotta do this for XP.
Actually, wait. Let's go back and take a look-see.
Dude, he hit like level 50 today.
Yeah, we'll flip horrible.
Yeah.
I guess I might actually get the most value by flipping Night Racer. We'll flip Night Racer. And we will swing Night Racer into Quake.
Nope.
For 4 Pierce 2.
You have to go to Megs.
Oh, he's got the Brave Head.
Yep.
Oh, then hold on. Let's not flip Night Racer. We'll flip horrible. Night Racer into Megatron.
Okay.
For 3 Pierce 2.
Yeah. I have a great
2
pistol and I know how to use
white.
it.
So automatically, he'll take 1 off the Megatron's ability.
Yep.
And Taven, I have to tell you one more time. Taven, I have to tell you one more time. You're getting off. Three Pierce 2.
Yes.
So I'll take the Pierce 2.
And then you've got his thing. So he's got what? Bold 1 now?
Yes, I'll have bold 1.
Got it. All right. Your turn.
Draw for turn.
Yep.
Oh, he's starting to yeah, right here.
Transform Quake.
Yep.
Like this Renaissance theme?
Play
Either here.
minor medic hit on Quake.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And swing Megatron where I gotta go.
Yep.
1, 2, bold 1. So 4, 5, 6, 7, Pierce 1.
Taking 2 off of it, taking 5. Draw for turn.
Draw for turn.
Flipping Night Racer. Playing Spymaster's Ruse. And a secret action. Ping, Horrible, and Megatron. Actually, how much... What, can you remind me what Megatron's stratagem is? What are the health levels for each bold?
1 through 5, 6 through 10, and 11 plus.
Gotcha.
Just bold 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Yeah, let's ping Megatron. Then, why not? We can play it and put it in the scrap. Play a Crystal of Power on Horrible to ping Megatron again. And I'm going to swing 7 into Megatron. 1, 2. 8 pierce 2.
1. He'll take 1 off of the ping.
Yep.
2. So you said 8 pierce 2?
Yes.
8 minus 3
5.
for 5, 9.
And my crystal power scraps.
Alright. Draw for turn.
Yep. Megatron is what's his max health? 15 or 16?
He's at 15.
Gotcha.
I'm the left to kill me because I know they would kill me first, you know.
Treasure hunt.
But I ain't what I bet he didn't.
I'll take it.
Alright, 100 players. He sacks for every
Put a eradicator's grenade on Megatron.
Ooh, okay.
He sacks for every
And I'm gonna swing Quake. Into
Horrible has 8 health left. Night Racer has
4.
5.
No, it's 5.
Yeah.
And your secret action is still out.
Yeah, I've got Spy Masters.
Yeah.
How many stars is Quake right now? What head does he have on him?
1 star, so he's 8 stars.
Gotcha.
No. Yes, I'm saying
God, let's go to Horrible.
Okay.
oh, lazy late. I thought you were wrong.
One.
That's like late. Real.
2. So 5, 6, pierce 1.
6 pierce 1. I'm blocking 1, taking 5.
You should have wrote
Draw for turn. Flip Sound Blaster. I'm gonna get bold 1 from the secret action. Which would mean I guess we'll play mission briefing. I've got all 3 in bot mode. So what did they said the heads won't get hit when the body dies from Quake's ability, right?
Yours would. Mine I can control. No, I thought it was rolled.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
I can choose to send mine out and sacrifice them, or I can hold mine back and not let them take it.
Gotcha. So the question is, can I kill Megatron this turn? What does the erratic grenade do again?
Whenever the upgraded character is KO, do 2 damage to each enemy.
Oh, that's pretty good. Horrible is going to die because he only has 2 health left. So let's play Fight for Position. And how much health does Megatron have left?
6 health left.
Okay, Fight for Position. We'll ping Horrible and ping Quake. Then let's play Enhanced Power Cell. We'll ping Horrible and ping Quake. Now we'll attack with Sound Blaster, and we have to attack Megatron. I will pull back. I'm attacking. I'll pull back a Crystal of Power.
Okay.
For 9 bold 3 into Megatron. 1, 2, bold 1, bold 2, bold 3. Oh, dang. Would have been a great flip any other time. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, Pierce 2.
That's going to be a knockout, but I do proc my offensive ability, so he gets pinged for 1.
Yep. I'm pinged for 1. And then I guess you guys can tell me the order of everything.
So what first happens is everybody automatically take 2 from Quake.
2?
Or 1 from Quake, I'm sorry, 1.
Okay, everyone takes 1. So first, you take 1, you take 1, and then now Horrible dies.
Correct. Everybody takes 2 from Radic.
Okay. You take 2.
Did I take top 2?
You take 2. Okay, and Kreb dies also.
Kreb
then
dies.
You got 2 more triggers for Horrible and Kreb.
No, you should have that gun.
You've got
just got 1. We already counted Horrible's KO. Already counted that one. Don't we?
No, we have.
Oh no, we did not.
Yeah, we still have Horrible and Kreb. Yep. So everyone takes another 2.
Yep.
So I'm at 4, putting me at 6. And you, Night Racer, are dead. Oh boy.
Okay, so that's another one. Which now KO's Doom Shot. So that's another one.
And we go up to 8 damage. Okay. Oh boy.
And now we untap.
Okay. Quite the
Call
bomb.
this deck. Draw for turn.
Yep.
It should have 1 HP, I swear. He's at 9.
I will transform Quake.
Yep.
So now I've got +2, so I got 6 attack.
Yep.
Help. Why do Brains have 50 rocket launchers?
Fusion board.
Oh,
Writers,
yeah.
please. Writers. I hate you as it is. Writers, please get tons to you on that.
And going in.
All right.
Dude, I'm terrified.
1, 2,
Dude, Matt, we do like
so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Pierce 4.
So I've got Hold the Line out. So I heal for 1.
You can't take more than 8.
Okay. Heal for 1 and I have 3 defense. So I take the 8.
Correct. You take the 8.
So I think that's game because, well, we'll see. Unless I can heal Sound Blaster, I will die when I kill Quake.
No.
No? Oh, he's in the wrong mode.
I didn't notice that you had laid out a secret action. Otherwise,
oh yeah, that was like from the beginning of the game with Spy Master's Ruse. Crystal Power Scraps. Draw for turn. Huh. Oh, and I still have Power Cell on. Okay. To kill Quake, I need to do 7?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. Oof, that's gonna be hard to hit. So that still might be game. Because I can't play this card and I can't play this card. I guess my best bet is to play a secret action again. And attack with Sound Blaster. And unfortunately, all I can pull back is Crystal of Power. I don't think anything else helps me. I guess it's...
I'll show you from hand if you don't KO.
Oh yeah, okay. Gotcha. So right now I'm at 9. I don't have any bold and I gotta get to 13. 1. No, that's game. That's good game. Yeah. Yeah, because I only got to 9. No, that's awesome. I mean, when the bomb goes off, it just causes chaos. So, against 2 wide, what would I do differently?
Whenever they kill you, bro.
I know I need you to go first. And I think that there are some cards that I can definitely drop. Like you.
Yeah, you.
Absolutely certain. Probably you.
Why? Oh, you have on TV.
You.
I'm curious how they're going to try and power creep blue back into the meta.
Yeah, I'm interested. I mean, there's still blue decks that work. Perceptor Pounce is a fun one. That kind of can counteract like what Sky Shadow and Horrible do. But yeah, it's tough. I think I gotta bring that in. And bring that in. And these two.
What are people running with Perceptor and Pounce?
The idea is you're drawing. I forget what the last one is. I don't know what the star count. But the idea is Perceptor and Pounce are both decently big attackers, and you're getting the card draw you need to get the secret actions to pump Pounce up and Perceptor. You're getting access to cards like Reflect Damage to fight off like horrible Camion crashes and.
I get the comp. I'm trying to figure out who their character would be.
Let's see. Did you see the article on Fortress Maximus by Nick?
No, I did not.
I think it's Night Racer. It's Pounce, Night Racer, Perceptor, and Grax.
I knew it so bad.
So 11, 16.
I wasn't a bot. He was just garbage. No.
I wonder, are they using Villainous or are they using Self Mission?
Let's see. We
So, like,
can
my-
do-
Probably villainous. No, you can't use villainous. You'd have to use pounces. It would obviously be pounces on.
Yeah.
Too.
Alright, would you rather? Would you rather?
Alright, so you want me to go first, you said?
Yes.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, time for turn.
Would you rather? Get one or ask for a bit for the various in the game, except the new one that comes out and all the top aspects. What would you rather do?
Quake.
You want to get new?
Into the bull.
Yep.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
7.
I'm only blocking 2, taking 5. Counter espionage. Do I want you? No. Well, why not? Drop an improvised shield for counter espionage. Alright, draw for turn. Flip Quake.
I want to know what kind of sour it is.
How much health does Quake, or sorry, how much health does Quake have right now?
10 health.
10.
10 health, 3 defense.
Oof. So that's another, I gotta get to 13.
My God, am I so freaking retarded? Cat, bro, he's
Taven!
David,
stop yelling at me. Taven,
Yes.
turn it off. You're on timeout from.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do something very different. Let's play a secret action. Let's flip Sound Blaster. And let's just attack into Quake while we have an opportunity. Since he's attacking, pulling Crystal of Power from scrap.
Okay.
9 pierce 2.
1, 2, so 9 and 3 for 6.
Yep.
Draw for turn.
Yes.
Okay. Let's form Quake. Canyon Crash.
Oh.
To do 1 here, to do 2 to Horrible.
Yep.
Scrapper Gauntlets here on Megatron to get rid of your Crystal of Power.
Yep.
And then Megatron will go where he's got to go.
I've got Concealed Contrails.
Okay.
And Tough One from Night Racer. 1,
Okay.
2, Tough 1, White Pip, White Pip.
So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8, 1, 2, 3, 4, taking 4. And do I want hold the line? Not right now. Draw for turn. How much damage do I need to do to kill Quake?
4.
Okay. Flip Horrible. I've got 7 on me. Do a Kamikaze Crash, ping Night Racer and Quake. And then do another one to Horrible to ping Quake again.
Canyon Crash, you hit him for 2.
Yes. And then another one from Horrible's ability.
go from 6 to 9.
And right now I'm at 9. So if I play a black pip, I'll ping and kill Quake. But then I will also die. So let's play an industrial grade phase charge on Night Racer.
Doesn't it still happen? It doesn't have to go to him, does it?
Say that again?
Doesn't it still happen? It doesn't have to. I thought it's whenever you played a black card, not whenever you put it on him.
Yeah, no, I was just making sure, because if I play it on Quake and he dies, then the card gets scrapped.
All right, so I assume you're putting it to
Killing Quake.
Quake to KO Quake.
Yep.
Okay.
So
which does 1 to all your guys.
Yep. So Quake is dead. His ability goes off, which does. So I was at 9. Oh, can I just not do math? I only take 1, not 2, right?
From Quake, yeah, you take 1.
Yeah, so he lives. So then I could have just played this here.
I thought he was at 11. I thought he only had 1 health left.
He was at 9. I think. Yeah, he was at 9. So he's at 10 now.
Okay.
And 1 here. I've actually forgotten where to put my... Well, that's fine. 6. All right. And then you still have... So I'll attack, and then you'll still get an attack with Kreb. You do have direct damage in your deck. So you could just kill Horrible. And I can't flip him back to move the damage this turn. So I guess we'll just swing Horrible into scrap the phase charge. Or sorry, yeah, Megatron. Scrap the phase charge to give him +3.
Okay.
1, 2, 7, 8, 9, pierce 2.
1, 2. You get pinged for 1, negating your attack.
Oh, that happens before the attack happens? Dang,
Correct.
Okay. Oh, I screwed that up. Okay. And my head pops up.
And my turn.
Yes.
Return. Cool. Treasure hunt.
Yep.
Ooh, gold.
Oh. Yeah, that's good.
Grenade launcher here.
Makes sense.
And swing Kreb. Only place I can go.
Yep.
1, 2. So 6, 7, pierce 2.
I'm only blocking 1, taking 6. Ugh. All right. Draw for turn. I get to attack twice. Is Sound Blaster going to attack again? Probably not, because Megatron will for sure kill him. So let's play Mission Breathing for now. Draw 2. That's not bad. Kreb can kill Kreb, no problem. I guess Megatron's Bolt doesn't matter because you could kill Sound Blaster without the Bolt. So we'll put an Industrial Phase Charge on Night Racer, and we'll swing Kreb and a Kreb.
Yeah, Megatron still has Brave.
Oh god, he's still got the Bold. Or he's still got Brave. I keep forgetting about that. Okay, then I guess Kreb into Megatron. 4.
He gets pinged for 1.
Yep.
And no Pierce.
No Pierce.
4 and a 4 for nothing.
Ugh. Then Night Racer into Megatron, scrapping the phase charge. I'll drop a Piece Through Tyranny for the reflect damage because Piece Through Tyranny doesn't buy me anything for a turn. All right. Night Racer with +3, 6, 8, 9 Pierce.
So Night Racer gets pinged for 1,
Yep.
and 9 and a 4 for 5 go to 7.
Yep. Drop the reflect damage for wedge formation.
Okay.
Your turn.
Draw for turn.
Yep.
Agray.
Ooh. Okay.
Composite armor.
Oh boy.
And Megatron will go into Sound Blaster.
Yep.
1, 2, and Bolt 2. 1, 2. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pierce 1.
Sound Blaster is dead. And Spy Master's Ruse is not worth picking up right now. I mean, I think that's game, because I just can't get enough damage out to Megatron, but we'll swing one more time. All right, draw for turn. No, that's game.
Yeah, that's
Good
I'm sure.
game.
Sure.
I like that, like, you're punishing me for pinging, for attacking. So you have Megatron's ability, and so if I attacked into Megatron right now, you'd ping me for what, 2? Because of his ability and the composite armor if you got a black pip?
Correct.
And then you're using the Quake to do damage whenever someone dies. And that's where, like, the second game I was thinking, oh, if I can get Quake off the board quickly, then I don't have to worry about his ability all that much.
Because then the other issue becomes you leave Megatron so unhurt that it's like, oh crap.
Yeah.
Like you have to guarantee that you can one-shot Quake. You have to guarantee it.
Yeah, and that's where I think I made my mistake was Sound Blaster almost got there, but didn't quite get there. And I was like, oh, that's fine, because I can pick up the kill with Horrible's ability. But then, Horrible attacking into Megatron cost me that attack instead of doing it with Night Racer.
The character lineup and the strategy just all came from Stefan.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I just changed up the deck and made it more Pierce heavy. And he said he used to have the erratics, but he opted away from it. But then when I played him the other day, he had Megatron on I was swung in Megatron would have died the following turns. So I just threw an energy grenade on him, pieced through Tyrion, and just pinged him for 4 all across the board.
Oh yeah, it feels good. Yeah, that first game where I got the combo off like that, it was just chaos. That was really well done. Well, thanks for the games, man. So I mean, I've been recording these. These will go up on the channel at some point. Do you want to tell everyone about Southern TCG?
I mean, not much to tell. Just I'm always theory crafting. I mean, Transformers is the first TCG I delved fully head on into. I mean, I played a couple.
Here.
Huh?
I said same here. Yeah, that was the same case for me.
Yeah, I mean, I played Pokemon with the kids a little bit because they wanted to play it, but then they phased out of it, and I was like, okay, I can quit playing the little Pokemon.
Mm-hmm.
And then I tried to drift over to Dragon Ball because I love Dragon Ball, but I can't stand the mechanics of that game. And then this came out.
Yeah, that's kind of the same situation for me. I didn't really play a lot of TCGs. I'm more of a Transformers fan, and then this came out, and I just fell in love.
Yeah, the only thing that they could have came out better than this would have been a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle game.
I wonder if they'll do that at some point. I don't know who owns that license.
I don't know. I don't know if... honestly, it's a good question because, I mean, I think Hasbro would still own it.
Yeah. So maybe Wizards of the Coast could do that at some point. That'd be kind of cool to see.
I know the movies still have the Hasbro logo, even the new ones. They still chopped up Hasbro in the beginning of it.
Yeah, that'd be kind of cool. I am a Ninja Turtles fan.
I loved my Turtles growing up.
Have you seen... I'll have to show you after we hang up. I'll send you the picture. Have you seen the Transformers Ninja Turtles?
No, I have not.
It's a third-party company that's doing these Brawn figures that turn into the Turtles. They look sweet. I'll send a picture your way.
I do remember, whenever I was younger, we had these turtles whenever they came out, and you could unfold them, and then you could put them inside their shell, they shelled away.
Oh, I remember those. Yeah, because it would be would it be a figure that it looked like a regular turtle, and then you could mutate it and unfold it, and it would turn into the Ninja Turtle?
Yeah, it would turn into one of the 4 turtles.
Yep. Let me show you this real quick. It's by a company called New Age. I just sent it. But it's basically a third-party Brawn figure that they've remolded to turn into the Ninja Turtles. I wonder if there's a picture with the vehicle mode.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
But yeah, thanks for the games, man. And anyone who's watching, check out Southern Fried TCG on YouTube, because you put videos out like what every week. You play normally you record on Tuesdays, and then you'll put them out like a couple videos a week.
Yeah, I usually try to put out a couple videos a week. Just started getting set up. Now I do live streams. Did the first one the other day. Waiting to see what happens. I did slow down during all this stuff because everything was closed. I didn't have access. I didn't even have a webcam to play web games.
Yeah.
So I really had no videos to make or anything. But now I'm back up at it, and as long as they don't shut down anything else back again, I'll be back up putting 2 to 3 videos up regularly a week.
Awesome, man. Well, it's good to have you back, and we'll have to do this again sometime.
Absolutely, man. Thank you.